Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. And yes, I'm in a different bathroom. If you don't know, I have two places. The one that I have with my mom and my stepdad, and my own. I'm kind of here waiting for my BoxyCharm Premium to come, and also I'm waiting for the person to help me remodel my bathroom. So I was like, you know what, I got my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus in here, so why not get into it and share with you guys what I got in here. Wow. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Happy Friday. If you have special loved ones to spend it with, I hope you are doing it now. And let's get into this box, shall we? Now first, let's get into add-ons. Add-ons vary from $3 to $18. All of my add-ons was $3 and $12. So, well, one was $12, all the other ones were $3. One I'm wearing on my lips today. I just ate something, so it's like crumbs on my lips. Lip glosses. And that's these glosses from Half Baked. This is the Super Glaze Lip Cream, and these are the packaging. I have Slight Work and Semi-Charm. Semi-Charm is the one I have on my lips today. Here are the two glosses. A Semi-Charm is right here, and this is Slight Work. Slight Work is like a beigey nude with like some reflex of glitter. Semi-Glaze is on the top and Slight Work is on the bottom. These retail for 10 bucks and I got it for $3. See, I really like the gloss because it's not as sticky as some glosses. It's not stringy. It's not goopy. It's thick, so your hair is going to get caught up in it, and it doesn't, you know, it doesn't have that stringy, goopy thing on the sides that some glosses have. That's just like meh, and then it smells like berries. Like it has that fruity scent, and I love fruity scents. The next add-on I got is an Ofra blush. This is the Madison Miller collab. You know I have the other one in the mini palette, but this is the All You Need Is Love blush. It's like a terracotta peach. It's a little bit dimmer than the one I got in Try Beauty Box from Cargo Cosmetics, so I kind of wanted to test it out. And you guys know I love blush, so it was just $3. And I know this is way more than $3. The next item that I got that was an add-on is from Murad. This is the Essential C Day Moisturizer with SPF 30. Summer is coming, so I need SPF. And also, this was one of the choices that you get to pick. And I didn't pick this one because I picked something else. And I didn't get it in my box. I was hoping to get it in my box, but I didn't. So I added it on for 12 bucks. And I think this retails for 65 bucks, so that's a good deal. Now on to this month's box. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I was about to say Ipsy Glam Bag. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month. It gives you 5 full-size products. You could pause and redo this subscription. You can end it at any time. They also give you add-ons. Also, they give you points. And when you add up all your points, you get actually full-size or sample-size products, whatever does your preference. I love Ipsy's point system, and I love Ipsy's choosing system. It is what it is. It is what it is. So let's get into this box. How many times am I going to say that? Wow. The theme is Feel the Love. Wow, this is nostalgic. Can you feel the love tonight? Can you feel the... I don't know. I feel like Simba right now and Nyla. Yes, Lion King. Yes, moment. On the back, it tells you like about their giveaways. They always have giveaways and always chances to win something. Then inside the pamphlet, it tells you everything that's in your box and the retail prices. Some pamphlets don't have that because they're being more cautious. They want to do less pamphlets and everything else. You do have to use on the app or on the website to see your products and the total and everything else. So the first item I see is from Sweet Chef. I just did a review on this mask right here, the Beat Mask. If you want to see, I will link it up into the cards. I do a mask try on every single Monday. Can't wait to try out the other two masks and have a backup of this. These retails for $3.50 each. Altogether, that'll be $10.50. So good start because I love these sheet masks. So it's a good start already. Oh, the next thing I see is from Touch&sol. This is their velvet lipstick. I didn't want this. I saw this. I didn't want this. I want the Bella Argent lipstick, if anything. And I got this. It's a very hot pink lipstick. It's a matte lipstick. Has like a matte, like nice plastic packaging. And here is the shade. It's like very pink. I mean, I could mix it with a dark lipstick, probably Dominatrix or one of Ofra's lipsticks, the Brooklyn one, but I don't see me using this. This lipstick right here retails for 16 bucks, and I will be selling this plus other items that I won't be using from BoxyCharm and Ipsy on my Macari. My Macari would be linked down below. Go check it out. The next thing is, this is from Il Makiage. I wanted this. I wanted an eyeliner. I was about to put the Sex Kitten eyeliner in my add-ons in my cart, but I didn't want to spend that much money, and I got the Il Makiage like ink eyeliner. I kind of don't want to open it because I'm using the Kat Von D eyeliner, and then when that goes off, then I'm going to test the Hank and Henry eyeliner that everybody's raving about. Then I'm going to go into Il Makiage. So I can't wait to try it. I literally don't have to buy any eyeliners because they have my back. Ipsy and BoxyCharm has my back when it comes to liquid eyeliners, and I love liquid eyeliners. I'm actually wearing one of the BoxyCharm crayon eyeliners on my eye because I didn't want to do a wing, so I didn't do a liquid eyeliner. But my eyeshadow is from Huda Beauty. My Obsessions, love it. And my blush is Cokie, of course, of course. By the way, that retails for $21, like $21. Okay. The next item, I'm trying to like look, but not look, like I'm trying to feel. It's a Domonique sweater weather palette. Oh my gosh. Say that like 5 times. This wind. Those are like some pretty shades. These are all matte. This is the item that I picked. And oh my gosh, I like the texturing on the package. It's really pretty. This palette retails for 29 bucks, and it is limited edition, so without this box you cannot get it anymore. It comes with a nice mirror, and then here are the shades. Oh my gosh, that periwinkle blue. Ugh. I'm not going to swatch any of these shades because I will be using this in a subscription try-on video. I'm going to do that after I unbox everything because I am getting the BoxyCharm Premium. So I kind of want to test out the Hourglass blush. The last item we got is from LaRousse. And this is a brush set. I know because it was another choice item, and I love the packaging. It's like a little envelope. And here are the brushes. They retail for 154 bucks. You have a foundation brush here, you have a blending brush, a kabuki brush, a shadow brush, and an angled contour brush. And they're all individually wrapped, which is so cute, and I always need more brushes. So this whole box retails for $230.50. I'm okay with all that because I like every single product besides Touch&sol lipstick. And I even like the metallic bag. You can't even see that it's metallic, but it's like a metallic lilac pink. And then it has purple on the inside. They always come with the bag, and I really do like this bag. Didn't like the other bag, that's why I didn't get the regular Ipsy. But stay tuned, my BoxyCharm Premium is coming today. Finger crossed that I will get it up on the same day, but if I don't, then it will be tomorrow or on Sunday. And don't forget to see my mask try on Mondays every single Monday. And I hope you guys have a great day, have a great night whenever you're watching this. I hope you guys liked my unboxing. Bye, you guys. I just dropped the bag. Wow.